Hey guys, I just got in the Tone Vault XLR microphone cable from Amazon. Let's open the bag, let's see how this cable looks, and then we'll know if this is a cable or not that we want. Alright, so in the bag we get a little thank you card, and it looks like a microphone cable. Now it does come with a little Velcro on it, which is a nice little addition. And then here is how the end of the cable looks. Let's open that up. That is a Neutrik connector on there, or a Neutrik style anyway. Here's how they assemble it. To me, it looks like they went as light as they could on solder, that's for sure. Alright, let me put this side back together. Come on. You'd think this is my first time trying to put an XLR cable together. There we go, got it back together. Just gotta screw this end on here. So that was the female side. Now, interesting about that, for the female side, which goes into the microphone, they put their label on it on that side. Typically, you should put your label on the male side, so it's not like in camera view, but yet it's labeled if you really need it to be labeled. Now on the male side, they also put a label, I see that. Here's the XLR connector. Let's open this one up and take a look. Now, I know the cable's not, or the label that they put on there is not absurdly obnoxious, but still, I would prefer it to not be on the female side where it'd be in camera view. And here's what it looks like. Now, it looks like they used more solder on this side than they used on the other side, which makes me a little happier. But it also makes me wonder if there's some inconsistencies in their manufacturing process. Overall, you know, especially for the price point it's at, it seems like this may be a decent cable. But honestly, I'm a little annoyed by that label being right there. Like, any microphone, it's going to be in camera view the whole time, and that bothers me. Did they really need to do that? Now, I could probably cut this label off, but I shouldn't have to. So overall, that's what this cable is like. I hope this review is helpful for you to decide if this is the right XLR cable for you.